Nigo yaba mochengo monene ase skuru ya burusi ya Gakero iye gutoka ime bunge ya bumachoge chache ime kaunti ya Kisii maiga yaboroke obwe skuru yo kolia buye mono asama miranio ya matera ye skuru cho boroso ayagendrete.
Shule ya Kiadventista Gakero yawaletea shairi lenye mada kubembea chini ya daraja 1106.
Omwalimu omonene bwe skuru eyo tabisetio mogokoye kubwatekana na machibwa yo.
My name is the head teacher of Gakero SDA Boarding Primary. I'm so glad and excited that my school did so well at the county performances in music festival, and out of 10 classes we took position 1 in 7 classes and position 2 in 2 classes, and 1 class took position 3. With this effort, I would really want to thank the board members, more especially the executive board members who have been up to the task to make sure that we are at comfort times when we are having our practices, and they also join us. Unfortunately, 2 of them who are very, very active are not with us here today. I will also take another hand to our teachers. After every class, after taking their normal classes during the lessons or according to the timetable, they would also join us to make sure that in every class a group of teachers would try to help the music teacher with more practices so that they come out with the best performance.
Umwegeria bwaboroki bwabo nigatebire buna nigo bari no gosemberia kugoche goikase birengo bya nationals ibirachi okorekana aria Dedan Kimathi University nonye bitango abuno buremiru w'ikibesa biteneine asenchura yabo.
Sinyamiaka Jacob, a teacher at Gakero SDA Boarding Primary School. I love music. I teach music. We practice music all the time. Classes that qualified to regional, I'll try my level best and make sure that they have qualified to the national level, which will take place at the Dedan Kimathi University, Nyeri. What I need most as at now are the funds, because at the regional from here to Migori it's a bit far, and even from here to Nyeri it is very far. So if I get the well-wishers who may assist me to take this team, because it's a very big team of around 100 children, I'll be very happy.
Omonyakerogo obodo management oyumanyekaine muna Benjamin Gisore igobo igarure segeto yokuba moyo asokure biego gocha saborokiwa bali barachigoika ase birengo bya nationals.
We qualified for 9 out of how many?
10 items.
9 out of 10 items we qualified. And what I've promised them to the teacher, for every item that qualifies to go for nationals, he'll get 3,000 shillings. That's to the teachers. For the solos, each of them that qualifies for nationals, they get a personal reward of 5,000. And for the group, which we call, how do we call it in me?
Chorals.
For the chorals, any that qualifies for the same level nationals, they will get 10,000 shillings.
Nonye nabo Gisore nigaruro koboria gochia sabantu bali no moyo bogwancho kuya gwesokya na gusira boroki gwabo eliyo gochia kogendera gukina ase biego byabo.
Number 1, as the chairman, board of management, we understand our local setting for sure, and the current economical situation. It's hard, especially the school is basically community based, it's not sponsored by anybody. So what we've done, especially I've taken it personally as the chair, to see how we can mobilize resources for the school to enable the students, and you can see the kind of stellar performance. You can see the kind of training, the kind of quality work the teachers, the teaching staff, whom I'm very thankful to, because getting such performance from These students, number one, they're young. Number one, they are in a school without many resources. It is a show of teamwork, is a show of tranquility.
Ginko reporteria egetaseni kia Voice of Victory kuroiga se skuru yoborosi ya Gakero yegotoka ime bunge ya Machoge Chachi ime kaunti ya Kisii inche ni gonkuru kwa Eric Maube.